This is going to be 2014 Topps High Tech Baseball 2-box break number 11. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. All right, Vinny L, you're at the top. Scott L, you're at the bottom of the copy. And paste this into random.org. As always, random 7 times. Here we go. There's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Make it razzle dazzle. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Aaron A at the top. John B, you're at the bottom of the copy. And paste this into our MLB spreadsheet. Let me pull this up here for you. All right, there it is right there. Boom. And let's go ahead and make this real big as we read the names and teams off here to you. Aaron A, you got the Diamondbacks, Lynn T. You got the Braves, Rodney H. You have the Orioles, Lynn T, Red Sox, and Cubs, Alex G, White Sox, Lynn T, Reds, Todd W, Indians, Joe W, Rockies, Lynn T with the Tigers, Scott L. You got the Astros, Todd W, Royals, Butch C with the Angels, Lynn T, Dodgers, Vin G, Marlins, Lynn T, you have the Brewers. You also have the Twins, Rodney H, Mets, Patrick C, Yankees. You also have the A's, Kyle V with the Phillies, Todd W, Pirates, Vinny L with the Padres, Patrick C with the Giants, Scott L with the Mariners, Rod A, you got the Cardinals, Michael K with the Rays, Lynn T, Rangers, Brian B, Blue Jays, and John B with the Nationals. Right. Any trades on teams, please do so now here in buy 2-boxer number 11. High Tech Baseball coming at you. All right. All right, it's everybody ready for the break. Let's do it. We all like high-tech baseball. I agree, Mike. Let's rip it, buddy. Good luck. Let's roll it. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got. All right, Chris Sale right there for the White Sox. Check that out. Chris Sale, White Sox. Ooh, here we go. Jose Fernandez. All right. Jose Fernandez, 11 of 75 right there for the Marlins. And that's going to go to Vin G. Vin G. That's coming out to you, Jose Fernandez. Chris Owings right here, Arizona. 60 of 99. That is Aaron A. Coming out to you, Aaron A. Ooh, man, look at this. Mike Napoli right here for the Red Sox. Watch out. Check that one out. His tech cards are just sweet right there. Should be numbered to 50, 37 of 50 right there. Boston. That is Lynn T. Coming out to you, Lynn T. Right there. Jason Hayward for the Braves. Oh, Chipper Jones right there for the Braves as well. Paul Goldschmidt. And then a Jose Canseco right here for the A's. All right, next pack in the 2-boxer. Here for Tech Baseball. Here we go. Tom Glavine. All right. Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers. Here's a Edgar Martinez for the Mariners. Right there. 44 of 99. Right there. Edgar Martinez, Mariners. And that is Scott L. coming out to you. Scott L. We're going to have a Will Myers autograph. Right there, Tampa Bay Rays. Good no trade by Michael K. That one's coming out to you, Michael K. Will Myers, Tampa Bay Rays. Here is a Adrian Gonzalez right there. Dodgers. John Singleton, Astros. Roberto Alomar, Blue Jays. And then Max Scherzer right here, Tigers. All right, that'll do it for Tech Baseball. 2-boxer number 11. Let's save that for YouTube.